ஹலோ ஜஸ்ட் மாடர்ன் ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம ஹைதராபாத்தில் இருக்க அஹ்மத் த ஸ்வீட் ஷாப் அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஷோரூம் வந்திருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த ஷோரூமில் எல்லா விதமான பார்ட்டி அண்ட் ப்ரைடல் வேர் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் காஸ்ட்டில் வந்து சேல் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. ஸோ இந்த கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் காஸ்ட்டில் சிங்கிள் பீஸ் கூட வாங்க முடியும். ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அஃபோர்டபுள் ரேஞ்சஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க. இவங்க மெயினாக வந்து எல்லா விதமான பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்காக ரீசெலர்ஸ்க்காக இந்த வீடியோ வந்து மேக் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பட் இந்த கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே நான் சொல்கிற ரேட்டில் நீங்கள் தரமாக சிங்கிள் பீஸ் கூட நீங்கள் தாராளமாக வாங்கிட்டு போக முடியும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இப்போது அக்டோபர் 31 வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஆஃபர் கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து ஆன்லைன் ஷாப்பிங் தரமாக பண்ணலாம். அது இந்தியா முழுக்க உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃப்ரீ ஷிப்பிங் கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க 31 வரைக்கும் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ வேர்ல்டு வைடாக நீங்கள் எங்கே இருந்தாலும் ஷாப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஃப்ரீ ஷிப்பிங் சார்ஜஸ் இருக்கும். பட் 31 வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ ஷிப்பிங் சார்ஜஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க. ஸோ சீக்கிரமாக இந்த கலெக்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணி அவைல் பண்ணிக்கோங்க தீபாவளிக்காக. ஸோ இந்த வெரைட்டிஸில் என்ன மாதிரி கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது, இந்த வெரைட்டி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் ஜஸ்மா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கனை தட்டிக்கோங்க. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போய் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எப்படி பார்க்கலாம்.
வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலில் இப்போ கிராண்ட் மெகா கிவ்வே கான்டெஸ்ட் நடந்துட்டுருக்கு. இதில் 500 பேருக்கு எல்லா விதமான ஃபேஷனபிள் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீயாக கிஃப்ட் கொடுக்க போகிறோம். இதை ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணுறவங்க டி நகரில் இருக்க காஞ்சி பிளாசா. இந்த கிவ்வே பற்றி ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் வீடியோ லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், பார்த்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க.
Hello friends, welcome to Ahmed's The Suit Shop. Today we are bringing you the best of the festival collection. We are welcoming retailers, resellers and the persons who are starting their new businesses. So today it's an opportunity for everyone to join us and expand their businesses and to get the best of the styles that you have ever wear. So today we are bringing you the Dussehra and the Diwali collections of the this new festive season 2020. So let's see a few of the collections. We are our shop is a 28 years old firm and we are located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. So we are the 28 years old firm and now we are expanding our business through different modes. Now one of the modes which is YouTube, and so we are showing our customers and the viewers our newest varieties today. So please watch this video till the end and please make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So in this video we will show you what our retail prices are, because we won't show the prices of wholesalers, because we don't want our customers who are buying in bulk to not to take their share of their profit. So today we are going to share retail prices only, and whoever is going to sell, whoever are who are the sellers like resellers or anyone else, we will show you our prices on WhatsApp. If you message us on this above numbers that are flashing, that we will show you our wholesale prices also. So make sure that you contact us to get the best of the varieties. We will show you the varieties in this video. So many varieties we have, we will show you all these varieties in this video. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. So friends, we are shipping to all over India as well as all over the world. We are shipping all over the world, and now currently we have a Dussehra offer running, so that I shall inform you till 31st of October of this month, like around it's still 7 days to go to this still running and 7 days still left for this offer. We are providing free shipping across India. We are providing free shipping across India for purchase of 1000 rupees and more. We have no shipping charges for that in that case. So let's see our varieties. Today we are bringing you the latest Diwali and Dussehra collections. So let's see. This is the first design that we have brought for you. This design is a Banaras woven piece. This is a Banaras cloth, heavy quality cloth, and in this piece you are getting a top with satin silk. This is a heavy, huge, very good quality silk, and you are getting handwork and woven ari work in this also. Like it's a very good pattern, a beautifully woven design, and you are getting a sari pattern, 1 minute sari pattern, ready to wear dress in this design. It's a beautiful design. In this we have 2 colors in this, and we are showing you the only one color as the samples. If you ask for us on WhatsApp, we will definitely share with you our colors and different designs that are available with us. This price is 1899 only. 1899 only, which is a beautiful design with lace. And also we have a separate dupatta given in this. We have a separate dupatta also for this if you want it. Inside sleeves will also be available. So this is one of the first best design that we are showing start with 1899 only. And now we are coming to the next design. This is a velvet woven velvet choli, velvet blouse piece with a satin and a two-sided. You're seeing the two-sided, this you're getting a patti, you're two-sided, you're getting a lace all over sari pattern and velvet blouse with ari work woven on it and with some stones on it as well. And you are getting a silk type. This is a new fabric with print on it. You are getting 4 colors also in this also. This is a beautiful design. So you are getting this at a flat price of 999 only. You can buy us with this. And if you want, you have system generated orders. So if you want to get free shipping for this piece, you have to buy one piece 150 rupees. Like we have starting kurtis as well. So you can buy one of the kurti at 150 rupees and you can avail free shipping offer for this also. So you can buy this one also. This is a very hit design in our shop and a great design. So I prefer you buy also this. Now next, coming to this design, this is a big gown, like a party wear ball gown. You say ball gown to this. This is a very beautiful design coming with bot neck and all over stones work and beautiful ribbon work woven on it. And you're getting a bot neck on it, side zippers to adjust. This is in L size and this is all over. You're getting small stones, jerkin stones on it to attach to the beauty. We are getting two colors in this. As of now, I'll show you 2 colors. These are the 2 colors that come with it, and you get a beautiful pouch packing with it. The one is the pink color and the other is the green color. So like 2 colors, like the pista green color. So you get 2 beautiful colors in it. This is in L size. It is 3099 only. 3099. A beautiful design. You must buy out this for your store surely. Next one is coming with the sari pattern again. I'm showing you the sari patterns because this is the most running patterns in this today's criteria of Dussehra and Diwali. So we are showing you the sari patterns. We have more designs. If you contact us, then you definitely get more designs. So next one is the sari pattern with some like sparkles on it, with net inside and net and some beautiful linings inside also. And you're getting a net fabric shawl type in this sari pattern, and you're getting a border on it and with some beautiful design woven on it. It has embroidery, zari work and stone works and pearls work as well. It is blue in color. This one is blue in color with a green combination. We have 2 to 3 color combinations in this. So this is also one of the hit design of our shop. This comes for 1199 only. Sari pattern at 1199 only. So we have sari pattern starting at 999 only for who are starting their businesses in home, starting their businesses in new shops. Or you have boutiques. We have ultimate collections for you. Just stay tuned to the video. We are showing you the more varieties. So next variety is coming with the crop top. See this crop top. This is all over embroidery, self-embroidered crop top with front and back work as well. You're getting front work and back work as well. We have 3 different colors in this. This one is at 1499. The speciality in this is also you're getting Cancun net inside it, and then you're getting another lining inside it, another lining and another net, and then the main fabric woven on it, embroidered fabric. So this one is very beautiful piece. You must surely buy this one out. Next one, we're showing you the dress with the full ghera. See the fabric and see the beauty inside it. See the ghera inside it. It's a huge flared dress. You should definitely buy this one with all over work. We are providing it. See the all over work. There is all over work on the choli and on the all over body. We are providing all over work. This one comes at 1499 only. 1499 only. It's a beautiful dress. You must definitely buy this one also. We have 5 to 6 different colors in this. Now next one is a crop top. It's a beautiful design. It's a layered crop top. This one is the choli. First you watch the choli. All this embroidered choli. This is all self-embroidered choli, and there is little stones attached on in the same color because to get the shining look. And there is another here. What you say is this lace coming here, and this one is the front of the top. front of the blouse, that lehenga of this one. It's a beautiful one. So you get 3 layers on it. See, 3 layers on it. It's a layered crop top. It's a new version of the crop top. It's huge demand. We don't have much stock. This is limited stock and it's selling very fast. We'll surely update, restock it when it goes out of stock. We have lots of quantity put in it, so you can definitely buy this one. This is a wonderful crop top, only at 1499. 1499 only. Next design is a jacket crop top. See, it's a beautiful design with all over ari work. Contrast choli, it's coming. This is with grey colored choli. We have 3 different colors with grey choli. So this one is also a very beautiful design. Like, see this one's separate jacket coming to you. Separate jacket coming to you. There's a back of the jacket also we have given work on it, some ari work on it to attach the great look on it, and it also comes for 1199. 1199 only. Next one is a Banaras dupatta shawl dupatta piece. This comes on satin taffeta fabric and with the Banaras chunni. This is pure woven Banaras chunni. You can see the weaves on it. This is the original Banaras fabric dupatta with great shining on it. You get great shining on it, and this is the on the top of the V-neck. You get some handwork on it and beautiful elegance look on it. So this one also comes at 1299 only. 1299 only. This is all in this. Around we have 5 to 6 designs available in this, so you can surely contact us on the given above numbers so that we can send you the more of the designs of it. Next, you're definitely going for this. This is a paper silk fabric. This is a fabric, very good one, and you are given dupatta work on it. See the dupatta also work on it with 2-side heavy border on it, and all over dupatta is also worked. There is this new type of a collar. See, that collar is like you have to get it like a ghungru here, and you have to tie it here. And this is a very beautiful, unique pattern. This pattern, and also see there's a handwork with embroidery zari work on it, and all over work on the top as well. So you're getting this piece, this great piece at only 1399. 1399. What beautiful piece it is. What to buy? Next one is a jacket crop top pattern. See, this one is also a very beautiful pattern. Yellow colored choli we are giving, and the grey combination, and with the grey colored, yellow colored koti we are giving jacket. This is a separate jacket with all over embroidery on the lehenga, and stones work and some embroidery work on the choli. This is also a very beautiful pattern. You should definitely buy this one out at 1399 only. 1399. Beautiful design. Next one, we're bringing you 1099 only with some beautiful jacket pattern, and you're getting this with this design. See, this design is mirrored with this circle chakri design, and we're getting pearls work on it and hand work on it, and then zari work and embroidery, and then you're getting a separate jacket with this beautiful color matching, also contrast matching, only at 1099. Here there is a Chinese collar also attached to it, and the lehenga is also very good with net on all over pearls work on it. So 1099 is worth to buy surely. Next one, we are bringing you the white colored checkered fabric with the full ghera. See the ghera in it. There is a huge ghera in it. So you see the contrast combination. There's a beautiful contrast combination. There are two different combinations in it. The embroidery also changes with the color contrast choli. So this one is a white checkered chanderi fabric and all over work on it. See, there's a beautiful work on it. There's a huge ghera in it, and this one comes for 1399. 1399 only. Beautiful design. So next one comes with the dupatta work. There's a 4-side border on the dupatta. This is a beautiful design. We have 3 to 4 different colors in it, all over work. We have lots of quantity in this available, so you can buy any. So this one comes with all over zari work with some beautiful colored zari, and it's a grey colored zari work, all over zari work. This is beautiful to buy. Different color. This is a new color. This is a neon type of a color with satin taffeta fabric. L size is mostly available in all sizes. This is all free sizes, so you should definitely buy this one. This is at 999, only 999. Now we are bringing you the Banaras to Banaras fabric. See, this one is also a very good one. We have 3 different colors in it. This is a beautiful design. All over plain. We don't have any work or given any work on it. Just a few beads, like button styles beads we have given on it, and we have given a beautiful Banaras self-woven Banaras design on it, and we have given a Banaras balls dupatta, the Banaras different design. So we have 3 different colors in it. This one comes at only 1099. This is a special offer price. You don't get it for lesser than this. This is a great price and great design. You should definitely buy. So next design is also a Banaras design. Showing you another Banaras design. Here it's come with the A-line frock. We are getting some zari work here and some stones work on it, and this is all over Banarasi. Front and backs also you're getting Banarasi design. So you're getting this design only for 799 L size. 799 only. Next design is a great another Banarasi design with a Banarasi fabric, front and back woven. This is self-woven Banarasi design. This is a great design to buy surely. You can see this design all over. We have given zari work on it with the shine on it, and we are giving jerkin stones on it. And this is a unique shape, V-neck shaped out, and this is a beautiful Banarasi design, self-woven everywhere. You can see different patterns design. First layer of the design is this, second of this, and third is this. So it's a very beautifully woven design. This one comes at 1799 only. 1799 only. Front and back also we are giving in this. And another design we are showing you for 799 only. This one is a single colored design. This is a same to same color matching, and this we are giving you here zari work, all over zari work in a V-neck shape with a bot neck, and also we're giving you some pattern here, and again the pattern continues. So it's a beautiful pattern, definitely surely to buy. 799 rupees only. Coming with the next pattern is the crop top. It's a beautiful handwork crop top. You can see the handwork on it. It's a beautiful handwork with some gotapati work inside it, with some khatli work inside it, and then stones inside it, and then there is a dupatta inside. This dupatta comes also with the sequence work, and then you're getting the lehenga. Lehenga is also coming with the stones all over, front and back stones, and we are giving inside it a cancun net that is responsible for the fluffiness of the piece. See, there's a cancun net inside it that's responsible for the fluffiness of the piece. The piece looks very fluffy and very brilliant to see, very brilliant to wear, and with the great dupatta also inside. This one comes at a brilliant offer price at 1999 only. If you are a wholesaler, then you should definitely contact us, and you should definitely buy these type of dresses for your store, or if you are running a boutique or something, like, you should definitely contact us so that we'll give you the best of the varieties that we have. Next design is also a brilliant design. You should definitely see this. There's a cancun net again inside it. It's a three-layered crop top with all over zari work, grey colored zari work, and we're giving you the handwork on it with khatli work and a bot neck on the choli. It's a great design. It just comes in single color. It's at 1799 offer price. 1799 only. It's a great design. You should definitely buy this one. This one is a very hit design of our shop. This one comes with the elephant pattern and all with mirror work for the Navratri special. We have around 3 designs in this. Currently I'm showing you just one design in this video as of now. So this one is the elephant design, and you're getting here the dandiya design and then the elephant design as well. So this one is a great design to go for. It comes at a special offer price at 1099 only. 1099 is the offer price for this. Definitely it's worth to buy for this price. Another design I'm showing you is this pink colored choli with a green colored lehenga, and all over self-woven Banarsi design. This is you seeing the self-woven Banarsi design. It comes at 1799 only. So this is a great design to watch for and definitely worth to buy. So these type of designs we definitely sell, and even apart from this, we are selling 150 rupees range of kurtis. We have kurtis starting from 150 rupees as well. So you should definitely contact us. If you are a wholesaler or a reseller, you should definitely contact us. Even if you want for personal use, we are also giving, in this COVID situation, we are also providing the services for the even one piece. We are also courier delivering to your home address. Thank you.